Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to eject water from your iPhone. All right, let's begin. First, keep your iPhone in an upright position so water can drain from the speakers and charging port. Then, use a clean microfiber cloth to gently wipe away any visible moisture around the device. Avoid shaking the phone aggressively or inserting anything into the ports. Next, open the App Store and search for a water eject app. Install any trusted app that plays water ejection frequencies through the speakers. Open the app and start the water eject process. If the app offers different frequencies, try the default option first and repeat the process a few times while keeping the phone upright. Avoid using a hairdryer or any direct heat source, as excessive heat can damage internal components. If your iPhone was exposed to a significant amount of water, turn it off and leave it powered down for at least 24 to 48 hours. During this time, do not connect it to a charger until you're confident it's completely dry, as charging a wet device can cause permanent damage. So that's basically how you can eject water from your iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.